How to make learning as addictive as social media. Imagine transforming learning into an experience as engaging and irresistible as social media. The key lies in integrating elements that drive instant gratification, similar to social media's instant feedback, provide immediate results through quizzes and assessments, and present information in bite-sized chunks to keep learners motivated and satisfied with their progress. Incorporate gamification by adding game-like elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards to create a sense of competition and accomplishment. Structure learning with challenges and levels, much like game progression. Keep learners continuously engaged. Personalization is crucial. Offer customized learning paths tailored to individual interests and performance, mimicking how social media platforms curate content based on user preferences. Utilize adaptive learning technologies that adjust to the learner's needs for a more personalized experience. Make content interactive by integrating multimedia elements like videos, simulations, and podcasts. This dynamic approach captures attention similarly to engaging social media posts. Interactive quizzes and polls can actively involve learners, making the learning process more engaging. Create opportunities for social learning through discussion forums or study groups where learners can interact, share insights, and collaborate. This fosters a sense of community and mimics the social interactions of social media platforms. Encourage peer reviews and feedback to enhance this communal learning experience. Keep learning materials fresh by regularly updating content with the latest trends and information. Micro-learning modules delivered frequently maintain a steady stream of new content, keeping learners interested. Utilize notifications and reminders to keep learners engaged. Push notifications about upcoming lessons, quizzes, or new content help maintain interest, while progress alerts celebrate milestones and achievements, celebrate successes, and provide positive reinforcement to motivate learners. Recognizing achievements, both big and small, can make learners feel valued, similar to receiving likes and comments on social media. Encourage reflection on progress and goal setting to foster a sense of personal growth. Ensure that learning materials are easily accessible on mobile devices, allowing learners to engage anytime, anywhere. Design user-friendly platforms that facilitate seamless interaction with content. Encourage the establishment of regular learning routines. By creating consistent study habits, you can make learning a regular part of life, just like the daily engagement with social media. By implementing these strategies, you can make learning as captivating